of the day make boy body chop. Boy head open when the KELTEC clap. Run up with the Ingram clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a clap. Middle of the day make boy body chop. Boy head open when Shane attack.
Many rifle them swing like a swing song. We no care if them big like a King Kong.
Oh, more class shit.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against my thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
Hold on. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit and I'm smashing out. I don't know people from the sea from the title we are dealing with today. Yeah, man. By popular demand and by request, you feel me? I got a request to react to Toppy Boss female featuring. Wow. I got a request to react to Toppy Boss featuring Shaney, which is KELTEC. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to react to today. We're going to check out the video, see what's going on. You know, see if it's a hit or a miss. You don't know how to do it over here, people. You don't know. If you like the song, please drop the fire emoji. If it's thing is garbage, drop the garbage can or shit emoji. You know what? You don't know what we're going to react to. Today we're going to react to Toppy Boss featuring Shaney, which is KELTEC. You know, we're going to check it out and see what's going on, see if it's a hit or miss. If you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. Returning views and subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. I appreciate everything, guys. Definitely, we're going strong. Remember, guys, the goal is 1K subs, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell. You know, show the boys some support and everything. We're going strong over here. Prize and surprise are coming, so stay tuned for that, guys. It's your boy Jambisco. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump in the chat. Let me get a request for this song, you know. Well, check it out. I got some other questions I'm also going to do, so look out for that also. We're going to do a Toppy Boss feature, Shane and KELTEC, jump right in. Let's get it.
The Beats Hub.
Maniacs, one press, squeeze,
everything. Tom. He's a talented soul that has it for that.
Yo,
Anyway,
John,
Anyway.
Rock City, Shaney, Maniacs, yo.
anyway.
One man run up with the KELTEC clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a slap.
Bobo clad, easy. Wala, what's a run up with the KELTEC? Wala. Clad, me no say now come in some company. Me no say that.
Maniacs, yo.
Anyway,
One man run up with the KELTEC clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a slap.
Bobo clad, one man run up with the KELTEC clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a snap.
Middle of the day make boy body chop. Boy head open when the KELTEC clap. Run up with the Ingram clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a clap. Middle of the day make boy body chop. Boy head open when Shane attack.
many rifle them swing like a swing song. We no care if them big like a King Kong.
Bobo clad, shady, hell shady this dog. Listen what that. Bobo clad.
We a killer, we no only just sing song. Plus me link with the Muslim we fling bang. Big up the general, boom biffy John. Hambaji them represent Picton. I want breath if you run up one gunman. Rap city thugs that like a dungeon. So as I run up them kill Mach 90 feet up. No box up, no drape or thump up or kick up. Run it.
Bobo clad. Man, this money ends up rough dog. Make some tune. Bobo clad. Easy though.
Keep our hands and tell no man stick up. One in your face, make your head up, lift up. With
One man run up with the KELTEC clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a slap. Middle of the day make boy body chop.
How many hear the tune now? And this say release what? Yeah, what that? How many hear the one? How the bumbo clam there? People definitely let me know anything in the comment section down below. Definitely jump fire emoji. Garbage can emoji.
Boy head open when the KELTEC clap. Run up with the Ingram clap. 6 in your face when the 40 a clap. Middle of the day make boy body chop. Boy head open when Shane attack.
This is Margaret the one done. Let me beat up the rifle like a gang bang. The boy violate them get them head bang.
eat up the rifle like a gangbang. The boy have head.
Me know some real head bangers like Robo them in John. We are the Muslims with the spell bomb. And anytime we step boys on the long gun, maniacs. Bully run out with the M1 and
Time I step up be a long gun and I'm torn up.
squeeze up the trigger till the clip done.
Call me the general, me wicked with the Ingram. Can not run out.
Yo, guys. But me know the thing about the song. Song I dropped a year ago. I don't hear the tune already. Like, oh, what? But the song I dropped a year ago. I like how them sliding on the thing calm. The man was like, yo, one man run up with the KELTEC as well. 69 years when he had years. Yeah, Lord God, I just jump in car on the track. It's a bad man, John. Look at that early in their career, man. Yeah, I mean, if you do some track by Sherry too, though. Yeah, man, react to someone and tune them and see what I'm going on, like what he been doing, because I'm long time listening to Shady. But it's mad.
And shoot him with the long one press. Your whole marrow fall down. You may bad in real life, post him in.
Let me know where in the comment section. Where's Toppy Boss from Trinidad also. You feel me? We know where I'm going. Yeah, man, I know any other artists, whether it's from Jamaica or around the island that you want to hear, you feel me?
Not just sing song, pussy, come run up. Your whole chest me pop up. The Mac 90 kick up like Jackie Chan kiss up. Me bad like Chuck Norris. Them bitch like Miss Norris. Me gun make them perish. Too bad, goddammit. When man run up make the KELTEC clap. 6 in your face when the 40 ya slap. Miggle at the day make boy body drop. Boy head open when the KELTEC clap. Run up with the Ingram clap. 6 in your face when the 40 ya clap. Miggle at the day make boy body drop. Boy head open when Shane attack.
Diamond soul with a lot to say for
One press, squeeze, everything.
Yeah, I don't know where Shane got that. I don't know where Shane got that tagline, boy. Time into tour for a lot of simple talk, boy. Damn, boy, that shit crazy.
Anyway.
You know people. You know the take people. This time them shot. I'm gonna find some
The beats
reaction channel, listen. This is how we get this channel. Nobody else can text, you know. So I'm telling you, you better just join the family and just stick around. I'm telling you, a mad thing coming. Mad things coming. Dope prizes, dope giveaways. Let's stay tuned. I think I joked him, bro. Yeah, man, that was Toppy Boss featuring Shaney. That was KELTEC. Really dope track. Really mad tune. You see me? I like Shaney style already and Toppy Boss. First time I really did Toppy Boss like that. So I'm like when I put it together. As you know, I say I feel something. I'm like when I slide it and start off the song. As you know, I say, man, I check out some more tracks on him and see or you know how things set up or music style set up and all these things. And this is one more track from him, but Shaney, if you do some reaction from Shaney a really dope artist. So check out both of them. Check out Toppy Boss and Shane E. You see me that Shane space E and then it's Toppy Boss. You see me? So check them out, show them some love, man. You know say Jambisco sent you. You don't know. Yeah man, really dope track. Yeah man, really dope track, man. I gotta check out some more guys. So until next time, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here, then I hit, and I smash, and I banger. Until next time, I hope you guys are staying safe. If you know, I hope you're enjoying your summer, making the best of your summer. But I want you guys to remain safe, wear coverings, sanitize regularly, practice social distancing. You know, keep your friends and family members safe, man, so we can get through this pandemic as quickly as possible. You know? So, boy, Jambisco is here, and I hit and I smash and a banger. Until next time, keep safe, and I love you guys.